Bahagi lang ng impeachment trial ang paghahayag ng clarificatory questions at interjections ng mga senador. Tugon nito ni House Lead Prosecutor Jervy Luistro matapos ang ilang sandali sa paglilitis ni Vice President Sara Duterte, partikular sa pagtatanong ni Senator Judge Pia Cayetano sa issue ng unnotarized document at si Senator Judge Robin Padilla na tumutok sa isang witness na nagsisinungaling umano. Sa pulong balitaan, aminado si Luistro na pakiramdam niya ay napagkaitan siya ng pagkakataon na makapagpaliwanag.
Of course, yun naman kay Senator Pia, I was able to make the necessary manifestation kanina. Hindi ko lang siya masyadong nag-gets agad kahapon because apparently she tried to limit my answer to yes or no only, and I was not given opportunity to explain. And that is why I really tried na ma-manifest kanina to put it on record. At yun na may paulit-ulit na rin sinasabi ng presiding officer. Do you feel deprived of the opportunity to explain, no? And that is why kanina na tinatanong ako ni Senator Robin, I cannot answer without qualifying. Because it's hard to be confronted with a question of yes or no only. Because it's important that you give context to your yes or to your no.
Ipinunta rin ni Luistro na paulit-ulit namang binigyang diin sa impeachment trial na ang affidavit o dokumentong ipinresinta na nagsasaad ng salaysay ni self-confessed Davao Death Squad member Arturo Las Cañas ay hindi bahagi ng ebidensya ng prosekusyon. Tungkol naman sa komento ni Padilla na dapat ay hindi one-sided ang prosecution panel, nilinaw ni Luistro na adversarial ang impeachment trial kung saan maliwanag na ang prosekusyon ang nagpapatunay ng aligasyon at ang defense ang magtatanggol sa respondent.
Kaya merong prosecution is to establish the case. Kaya may defense is to defend the innocence of the respondent, no? So, it is very much anticipated that the prosecution is biased towards presenting the case, presenting the evidence, no? Siguro mas nakakapagtaka pag naging neutral ang prosecution. At lalong nakakapagtaka kung i-defend namin yung respondent, no?
In the heart of changing lives, ako si Brigada Haji Caaminio ng 105.1 Brigada News FM Manila, the Music and News Authority.